At Welsh Water, we work hard to keep our sewers in good condition. But often, people put more than they should down their sinks and toilets. This can lead to blockages. If you notice a strong, unusual smell around sewer pipe covers, or that water is very slow to drain from your toilet, then you might have a blockage. Blockages can be really unpleasant. They can flood your garden and property and can also lead to environmental pollution, damaging rivers and beaches. You may think that as we treat your water, we are responsible for all the drains and sewers, and in many cases this is true. But actually, you or your landlord own and are responsible for some sections. Pipes that only collect wastewater from your property and which lie inside your home or within the boundary of your property are your responsibility. If there is a blockage on your private pipe, you will need to call a reputable drain contractor. The costs of fixing any faults on this pipework will fall to you, your insurer or your landlord. As soon as the pipe crosses the property boundary or the section of pipe is shared with another property, then it becomes our responsibility. If you notice a blockage on our lines, give us a call or contact us online and we will get to you as soon as we can. If you're unsure of exactly where the blockage is or who owns it, contact us and we will be happy to investigate and advise you. If it turns out to be private, you or your landlord will be responsible for the cost to clear it.